Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook on a charcoal grill. First, let's get set up. You'll need your charcoal, a way to light it like a chimney starter, long tongs, a grill brush, and a meat thermometer. Arrange your charcoal to create two distinct heat zones, one side for high heat and the other for lower, indirect cooking. Once lit, wait patiently for about 15 to 20 minutes until the briquettes are covered in a light gray ash, indicating they are ready for cooking. Now let's talk about direct heat cooking. This method is perfect for items that cook quickly, like juicy burgers, hot dogs, or thin-cut steaks. Place your food directly over the hot charcoal to achieve that beautiful sear and delicious crust. Remember to flip your food once or twice for even cooking. Always use a meat thermometer to check internal temperatures. For example, ground beef should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For larger items or those needing more time, indirect heat is your friend. Think whole chickens, racks of ribs, or a tender roast. Place these foods on the cooler side of your grill, away from the direct charcoal, and keep the lid closed. Aim for a consistent grill temperature, usually between 225 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusting your vents as needed. For an extra layer of flavor, add some pre-soaked wood chips to the coals. Finally, let's cover finishing and cleanup. After cooking, let your meats rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps them retain their delicious juices. While the grill is still warm, use a stiff wire brush to clean the grates thoroughly. Once you're done, close all the vents on your grill to safely extinguish the charcoal. Remember to wait until the grill is completely cold before disposing of the ash responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.